Hello, I am Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. Today I am going to tell you about the best simulation software for engineers. This is the Circuit Simulator. It is completely free. You can use it in your projects and to simulate any circuit that you want to see its working and structure. Here on the screen, it is showing the full wave rectifier with filter. It's a simulation circuit. In the bottom, you can see it's a waveform, okay, input waveform and the output waveform. Here you can draw various circuits of your own and can check the library given here of basic circuits, AC circuits, passive circuits. You see how large the library is. Basic circuits like Ohm's law, resistors, capacitors, LCR circuit, okay, potentiometer, Norton's Thevenin's theorem, AC circuits, okay, basic circuits and passive circuits, all kinds of filters, notch 20 filter, crossover, butterworth, low pass, high pass, band pass, all filters, op amps and diodes, okay, zener, dc, half wave, full wave rectifiers, op amp circuits, okay, various op amp circuits, okay, transistors, MOSFETs. You see how large the collection is. They are all working circuits, working simulation. Let's see another circuits like oscillators. Oscillators contains relaxation oscillators, triangle wave generator. If I click on this, you will see the triangle wave generator. You can increase its size from this edit. If you want to increase, zoom in, okay, see the size. This is the increased size. You can also use control and plus keys to increase the size. You can draw your own circuits and simulation speed. See the right side on that corner. You can increase the simulation speed, okay, and the current speed. On increasing the current speed, you see the speed of current has increased, or you can decrease it. And the simulation speed on the bottom, you see this is the waveform. You can change various parameters of this waveform also. Now let me show you how you can draw your own circuits. First let me select this blank circuit, okay. Now I want to draw my own circuit, so click on this draw option and add wire. Let's say draw a simple AC circuit. Just I'm showing you for example. Add resistor, so I'm adding one resistor to it. You can increase or decrease its size as you want. And let's take a passive component like a capacitor. This is a capacitor and AC source. Let's take one AC source. I can increase its size from this edit, zoom in, okay, and add one AC source. So go to this inputs and sources and add AC voltage source, two terminal, okay. So I will add one AC source having two terminals, and I need a wire also to connect it. Let's complete this circuit. Now as the circuit is completed, it starts to flow the current. You can use control and plus to increase the size of the circuit. If you want to move it, then select this whole circuit and you can move it anywhere. Now I want to see the waveform of this circuit. Then right click on this AC source. You can use this view in scope, so it will show you the waveforms, okay. This waveform, and I want to see now. You can also change the properties of this AC source or anything like edit here. You can change the maximum voltage waveform. If you want AC or DC waveform, you can apply a square waveform, okay. So now I have applied AC waveform. You can change the DC and frequency also you can change. If you change the frequency, let's change the frequency to 100 and apply and okay. You see the increased frequency. You can change the properties of every component at this place from the edit, okay. You can change the capacitance. In the same way you can change the resistance of this resistor also. So this is very easy. So you can do various things from this. You can change the properties of this scope also, like see the properties what you want to show on this graph, like show voltage. If you want to show voltage and current, then you can keep them tick marked. Okay, V versus I curve. You can change these settings like show spectrum, so it will show the spectrum. You see in the bottom right, in the red color, show power consumed, so tick mark this, so it will also show you the power consumed. Show currents and voltages, so it will show you the current and voltages. Okay, in this way you can change the settings. If you want to save as default, you can save the defaults, and if you want, you have changed any settings, then click OK. So in this way, you can see various circuits and change their properties. Not only this, you can also change the you can also change the circuits of this library, like it is a source follower. I'm showing you the source follower. If you want to change these values, or you want to add any things, any component to it, okay, you can play with these circuits. So I found this simulation software very interesting and useful, and you can see that it is a very colorful software, so you will enjoy drawing some various kinds of circuits in this. You can also reset this circuit, or you can run or stop the simulation. This is the monostable multi-vibrator. So you can see here a large collection of circuit simulations. It includes various analog circuits, digital circuits also, from basic to advanced. See some logic families, combinational logic circuits, sequential logic circuits like flip-flops, counters, okay, shift registers, analog and digital converters, analog to digital converters, flash ADC, okay, delta sigma ADC, phase locked loops, triple five timer chips, like these multi vibrators, pulse width modulator. So these are some advanced circuits. So you can find the simulation of all these advanced simulations also here. You can see the graphs and basic things, and you can also change these components and their values. The name of this circuit simulator is Falstad Circuit Simulator. I will put the link of this simulation software in the description of my video. You can click on that link and can reach on this website. And if you want to search Google, then you can type here Falstad. Just type here Falstad, Falstad. Okay, or you can type Falstad Simulator also, full form, Falstad Simulator, in the top link. Okay, the link at the first place, you click on this circuit simulator applet, and you will be on this website. You can click on this full screen version, so that you will reach on the full screen, and you can play with this. Here you will see three settings. This graph is particularly for this simulation. You can change the properties of this part of this graph from this: show voltage, show current, or you can also see show power consumed. Okay, and if you are ready, then you can click OK. You can change the settings of this from this icon, and settings of this from this. Okay, so in this way you can play with this circuit. Advanced circuits and basic circuits are given here. You will enjoy it. So friends, if you liked my video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you found it useful and interesting, then do not forget to subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy for more such interesting stuff. You will really enjoy it. This software is completely free. You can use it in your work and projects. It has been written on this website. You can read all the uses and its permissions. Okay, so it was all about this simulation software, Falstad Circuit Simulator. So friends, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Friends, for more such videos, you can subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy. And please don't forget to like and share the video if you liked it. For more detailed information, you can visit my blog. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.